In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an EBT card to Sam's Club. So here we have the Sam's Club app open, and once you have selected some groceries that you want to purchase, under payment method you will see an option called add an EBT card. Now once we click on add an EBT card here, it is going to ask us for our first and last name as well as our EBT card number. Now, once we have input this, we'll just click on save, and this is going to add our EBT card as a payment method on the Sam's Club app. And now once we have added the EBT card, it's going to show us this EBT, and we'll just click on slide to pay. And after we have checked EBT as a payment method, now make sure this is checked. So we have a little check mark next to EBT. This is very important. So it's taken up. The money is taken out from our EBT card. So once we have this checked, we'll click on slide to pay, and we'll need to verify our PIN. So to pay with your EBT card, enter your PIN and this for your safety. So if we click on continue, then we'll type out our EBT card PIN, and then we can just click on pay here after we have entered our PIN. And that's how you add and use an EBT card on Sam's Club app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.